So this is the one I was talking about. Yeah, this is a kind of gourd or patola. Look, it's a elongated vegetable, and there is one big one there. I'm not touching it because it's not ours. Here, ooh, huge, yeah, and long. Oh, there's one there. It's a kind of a squash, really, or upo in the Philippines. So it's not ready yet. Maybe the owner is still waiting for the right time to harvest. Yeah, so it's autumn and everything is